with the summer temperatures heating up, I've got a really cool product here for you. Pun intended. This is a Tesla fridge fridge and freezer for your Tesla Model Y. Back here is the fridge freezer combo. Opens up, fits flush in the floor, so you don't lose any space. It has these little tabs here, so you get airflow in between there, and there's actually quite a bit of room around it. These really nice handles, so you don't have to leave it in here. It's not very heavy, but you don't have to leave it in here. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using this and what I'm going to be using this for. But nice flush fit. It's like it's made for it. It's made for a Tesla. This is the trunk fridge that I got from my friends at Hand Show, and it's an amazing addition to any Model Y. What I really like about this is, if you go shopping, grocery shopping, you go to one store, and with this heat and everything, you don't want to leave your air conditioning running the entire time you're in the store, and it's really not going to be cold enough to keep your refrigerated items or freezer items frozen. So it's nice to have something where you can put stuff into, the freezer stuff in, or refrigerator stuff in, and go to another store before you have to run home. Especially if you live far from the grocery store. Well, that's where this comes in play, where you can actually have this cold ahead of time, put all your stuff in here, and then go to the next store and come home, pull your stuff out. I think that's going to be great for a lot of people. Or if you're going to be going on long trips, vacation time, you're going across the country, or you're just going a couple states away, you have a refrigerator to keep all your stuff in. You don't have to have a cooler up front with ice that's going to melt and then everything's soggy. The subfloor of your Model Y, you stop at a supercharger, guess what? You get one of these cheaper drinks than instead of going to the gas station and spending 3 times as much. So eventually this will pay for itself. What's really great is this has handles here. Why would you want to take it out of here? Most people won't. They'll just leave it in here. But the great thing is, you can actually get one of these. This is just a 110 outlet to the cigarette lighter, which that's what powers this refrigerator. You plug this in, take this out, put it in your garage, get it cold ahead of time. That way you're not using the power of the car, you're using the power from your house. You're not killing your range at all. And you get it cold before you go out there. While you're driving, all you have to do is plug it into the cigarette lighter that's over here, or the power outlet. It's not really a cigarette lighter anymore, but it used to be for people that are my age. But what's really nice is, when you stop at the store to go shopping, the car will turn off. So this will turn off. Now, the refrigerator is going to stay cold. It's not going to lose its coldness. But if you have a portable battery system, you can plug it right into the cigarette lighter or the power supply in here, the DC power supply, and then keep this going while you're in the store. That's the great thing about this, is there's many ways to power this thing and to use it. So let me show you some detailed shots of this. Don't mind the dust because it's a trunk. And of course there is a coupon code. Use the code I1Tesla with the link down below. Get your refrigerator and stay cool this summer.